Learn Lua in Neovim. Episode 27. Error Handling. Handling things that go wrong. Error raises an error that stops execution. Paul catches errors and returns OK error. Assert validates a condition or raises an error. xpcall adds a custom error handler function. Open errors.lua. Insert mode. A comment for the header. Triggering an error section. pcall wraps a function call. If it errors, pcall catches it instead of crashing. Error raises an error with a message string. ToString converts the Boolean OK to a printable string. Run the file. OK is false. The error message includes file and line number. Bottom of file. pcall with a real error section. This pcall wraps a real runtime error, adding a number and a string. Lua cannot add 10 plus hello. pcall catches the type error. Run. Both errors caught, neither crashed the program. Bottom of file. Safe divide with Assert section. Safe divide is a function that validates its input. Assert checks that b is not 0. If it is, assert raises an error with our message. Return a divided by b. Only reached if assert passes. Ten divided by 3 works. The result prints normally. pcall catches the assert error when we divide by 0. Run. The valid division succeeds. The 0 division is caught by pcall. G. Bottom of file. xpcall with handler section. Error handler is a function that receives the error and transforms it. xpcall calls the function and passes any error to our handler. Run. The handler added caught prefix to the error message. G. Bottom of file. The OK, error pattern section. Read file returns content on success, or nil and an error message on failure. io.open tries to open the file. If it fails, file is nil. If not file, return nil and a descriptive error message. Read the entire file with read A, then close the handle. Call read file with a missing file. Check if content is nil. Call read file with errors.lua itself. Print the byte count on success. Run. Missing file returns our custom error. Reading ourselves shows the byte count. GG. Back to top for review. Recap. 5 key takeaways. Error raises an error and halts execution. pcall returns OK result. True or false with message. xpcall adds a custom handler for error messages. Assert checks a condition and errors if false. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Lua tutorials. Next episode, type conversion.